Hello everyone, this is Hoda Ganji, and in this video we're going to continue with our house model. Now if I hide the DWG file, you see that we didn't work on interior walls and doors and windows. So interior walls would be similar to how you model exterior walls, except that let's say here from here to here is 165, which is 6.5 inches. Because there are more studs here, this part of the wall is actually thicker. Again, this is an existing building, so I want to go with wall and I want to go with a 6.5. And fish face exterior or interior, it doesn't matter for this specific wall because it's interior wall and it's symmetric. Just that we need to go from level 1 to level 2. So for instance, if I start from this corner to this corner, then I can switch. I know the rest of it is 127 millimeter, which is a 5-inch wall. Hit escape, go with a 5-inch wall, going from here to here. If you know that there is an opening in the interior wall that goes to the ceiling, you can finish the wall here. But if that wall, like this one, if that opening doesn't go all the way to the ceiling, the rest of the wall continues above it, you can go from here to here and from there to there. And for those two places, you can actually add an opening of the door as a door family. How does it work? First, in order to see my DWG file, I want to switch to my wireframe mode. If it does not allow you to switch to a different mode, if this is grayed out, probably you have a view template. So go to your properties of the view, and if there is a view template, change it to none so that it allows you to change this to wireframe. Now, I want to bring a door, but this is not a door, this is actually an opening. However, an opening is actually a Revit family. Look at it, look at in your families, in the door types here. If you cannot find it, go to load family, go with doors, and I want to go with just door opening. Hit open. Now we have a door opening that we can fit here, and this is my DWG file, which is my reference file. I want to select the door opening, use AL to align, select the edge of the DWG file, then select the edge of the door opening. Let's repeat it for this other one. Door, place the door, AL, adjust uh, the door by using a line. First select the reference line, then select the edge of the opening. Now for this one, if I type DI, the opening length is actually 1524. So if I select that family, actually if I go with edit type, I want to duplicate it and I want to say for this one, I want it to be 60 inches in width. And then I can change the rough width to 60 inches, which is 1524. Okay. Feel free to align it again. AL, edge of the DWG file, edge of the opening. There we go. And another thing I wanted to mention, if I draw another section somewhere around here, for your interior walls, let's say this one, and your other interior walls, they don't go all the way up, but they just finish right below the floor. Okay, so you should either grab it and move it down by the shape handle. That's one way to do it. You can use attach top base to attach it to the floor. That's the second way to do it. But remember, if you use attach top base, the shape handle goes away. If you need that shape handle again, which is that blue triangle, go with detach top base and that triangle shows again. Or the third way is if you know the thickness of the floor, you can grab that interior wall and to the top offset assign, for instance, negative 10 inches, and it will be exactly the right size. And you need to do that for all your interior walls. Or if you already know the thickness of the floor, which in this case is 10 inches, when you are drawing your walls, I can select this one, hold Control, select this one, and this one. To the top offset, I can just assign negative 10 inches. And if you look at it in section, it all will be correct. Okay, so for instance, when I'm going to draw this other partition here, which is um, 5 inches again, I'm gonna go with wall from level 1 to level 2. Right away, I can assign a top offset of negative 10 inches, and then I can draw it. If it turns out the wrong side of the line, hit a space from here to here and to here, and then I wouldn't need to worry about the top of it because it's already uh, adjusted. The top offset is already adjusted here, right? Keep adding your interior walls, doors. Like if I want to add this door, I need to switch to one of my doors. I guess this is 28 inches. I can hover the mouse around here, put this here. If you had by mistake, if you had chosen a wronger door, you can always come back and go with the correct one. And I want to use AL again, AL, select the reference and then select the edge of the family, and feel free to select the door, use these flip icons to adjust it in the right locations. And now this one here, for your information, that's also a type of window. If I go with window, that window is a bay window. I want to bring it click somewhere around here. I need to hit escape and flip it. Now it's exactly in the right place. If I look at it in 3D, that's the type of the window I was showing you. Now remember, when you want to add your dimension, when you type DI, if I hit tab here, see it's trying to get the center line of the wall, but I want to hit tab to select from here to here. Okay, so that's how you do that. When you are done, remember to hide or delete your DWG file. If it's pinned like this, we pinned it so it wouldn't move. It doesn't allow you to delete it. It says because it's pinned. You can select it and unpin it, and then you can erase the DWG file. Now I don't want to delete it yet because I need to add the stairs, but whenever you want to delete a pinned object, first you need to unpin it and then erase it. Before I continue, I want to get a little bit of the width of it. I'm going to get DI. I'm going to get from here to here and also from inside to inside. Okay, so 1029 is probably the dimension that I need. I'm gonna go with stairs. Here, actual run width, I want to change this to 1029. I'm going to go from level 1 to level 2. It's telling me that it's going to suggest 14 risers. What are the risers? The vertical part of the stair, which is this line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. That's actually right. So I want to go with selecting the left side of the run. So I can go like this. Usually this is by default on center. You can change it to left and right, or how about I go with the right side? So I'm gonna start from here, going up. See, as I'm going up, you see that there is a gray note which says 3 risers created, 11 remaining. So I'm gonna go from here to here. One click. I believe on this end, the width of the stairs was a little bit different. So I want to type DI, hit tab, going from here to here is 1067. So let's go with another run again. I'm going to change this to 1067. And I'm going to continue from here to here. And finally, for the last one, I should get another dimension from this edge to this edge is 1029 again. So I'm gonna go back with the run 1029 and I'll create these last few stairs all the way up. That's okay. It says it couldn't create a landing over there. See that it created the landing on that part, but not on this part. And now let's try and create this landing here. I want to go with landing. I might go with a sketch, create a sketch. It's asking me for relative height. Uh, if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 risers, if I just for a second check the height of those risers, they were 174.2. So 174.2 times 9 risers, 1567.8 would be the relative height of this landing. So I'm going to go here, sketch the landing. I need to enter this number 1567.8. I'm going to assign as for the relative height, so it's going to exactly be here. Then I can draw a rectangle from here to here and finish this mode. I can't make the stairs. I might need to move this landing over to here. Now finish the mode. Now it's better. Edit the mode. Let's take a look at it in 3D. I'm going to go with WT to see the two views side by side. I'm going to click here, type HH, and I want to move this to hidden line so you see a little bit better. There are some issues with our railing here, but otherwise should be good. First, I want to go with this set of railing, hit edit path, go here, and I just want to remove this side, hit delete, hit delete. Also, the part which is close to the wall, I don't need a railing over there. I want to erase it, so only this railing stays. That's good. I want to select this other railing and I want to say edit the path. Going here again, the part which is close to the wall, I don't need a railing there. The wall is good, and I want to check this. Another thing is if I go here, you see that our railing is a little bit different than the DWG file. It's because we can just flip it, so it's going to be on the correct side here. Now, if it's a little bit confusing, this is your DWG file here that you still see on 3D view. I can click on it, type HH. I can also do the same here. Click on DWG, type HH. Now you see a little bit better. I need to go with the architecture railing, sketch a path, pick new host. In 3D, I want to pick the stairs. Then I want to draw it in level 1 from here to here. Check the box, and now it's all good. Sometimes in older houses, which like this building, which is like a 40-year-old building, the stairs are not working as nice because there was a little bit limitation in the space. Now finally I see that there is also a piece of railing here that I don't need. I'm going to select it, edit path, remove this part because I'm going to have a wall on that edge on this side, so I won't need a railing over there. That's it for this video. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe for more videos.